Here, in the vast and ever-changing landscape of our modern world, a new phenomenon is beginning to take shape. It is not found in the deep oceans or the remote jungles, but it is in the bustling environments we call offices, laboratories, factories. Artificial intelligence, once a thing of pure imagination, is now quietly becoming part of our daily working lives. It is a powerful new force, capable of remarkable feats of calculation and analysis. Yet a fundamental question arises as we stand at this technological frontier. How do we, as humans, best interact with this new intelligence? Is it a tool to be wielded, or a partner to collaborate with? The initial response for many has been caution and apprehension. We see systems performing tasks with speed and with precision that far surpasses our own abilities. It is natural to wonder about our place in this evolving ecosystem, but to see AI merely as a replacement for human effort is to miss the most fascinating part of the story. The true potential is not what AI can do on its own, nor what we can do on our own. Instead, it lies in what we can achieve when we work together. This journey into a collaborative future is not without challenges. Like any new relationship, it requires understanding, adaptation, and a degree of trust. We must learn the language of our new partners, understand their strengths, and recognize their limitations. It is a process of discovery that demands patience and an open mind. The question now is how we will choose to engage with AI. The most successful organizations, like the most successful species, will be those that adapt best. And so, our exploration begins. We will venture into this new habitat to observe how human ingenuity and artificial intelligence come together. This partnership is not a contest, but a dance of complementary skills. It is a story of synergy. A 1 + 1 becomes far greater than 2. This is not science fiction, it is happening now, all around us. The dawn of a new era of work is upon us, promising an extraordinary spectacle of coevolution and shared success. To truly appreciate this emerging relationship, we must first understand what makes it so special. This is not simply about humans using a new tool, like a hammer or a computer. This is about synergy. Human-AI synergy is a unique form of teamwork where the combined intelligence of a person and an AI system creates a result that neither could ever achieve alone. Imagine a master craftsperson with a tool that follows instructions, that anticipates needs, points out unseen flaws, and suggests entirely new designs. The tool amplifies the artisan's skill, enabling unprecedented beauty and complexity. Think of humans' remarkable intuition, humans' creativity, and a deep understanding of context and emotion. These are qualities born from millions of years of evolution. AI, on the other hand, processes massive datasets in an instant. AI identifies subtle patterns invisible to the human eye. AI performs repetitive tasks consistently and without fatigue. It operates with a logic and speed that is utterly alien to our biological minds. When these two distinct sets of abilities are combined, something extraordinary occurs. The AI can handle the heavy lifting of data analysis, freeing the human partner to focus on strategy, on ethical considerations, and on creative problem solving. A study from MIT in 2018 found that call centers using a particular AI system to provide real-time suggestions to agents saw a 14% increase in productivity. The AI did not replace the agents, it empowered them. It whispered suggestions in their ear, helping them find solutions faster and serve customers better, combining machine efficiency with human warmth and understanding. The human guides the AI with purpose and wisdom, and the AI provides the human with insights and capabilities that extend their natural reach. It's a symbiotic relationship where each partner compensates for the other's weaknesses. The human is protected from cognitive overload and tedious repetition, while the AI is guided by human judgment and moral oversight. This complementary balance allows hybrid teams to outperform both all human and all AI groups time and time again. Nowhere is the power of this human-AI partnership more evident than when tackling tasks of immense complexity. In the world of medicine, diagnosing rare diseases is like searching for a single specific leaf in a vast, dense forest. A doctor relies on their own memory and the literature they've had time to read, but an AI can scan and cross-reference millions of medical journals, patient records, genetic studies. It can present a ranked list of potential diagnoses a doctor may never have considered. Working together, the system becomes breathtakingly effective. The AI provides data-driven possibilities, and the human doctor applies clinical experience, understanding of the individual patient, deep medical wisdom. They rule out possibilities from subtle physical cues or personal history, nuances the AI misses. This collaboration has led to stunning breakthroughs. Research in journals like Nature Medicine shows AI plus human radiologists detecting cancer in mammograms more accurately. That combo significantly reduces false negatives and false positives. This pattern repeats across fields. Architects use generative AI to explore thousands of building designs, meeting constraints for energy efficiency, material cost, structural integrity. The AI spawns unexpected design possibilities. The architect curates, refines, and instills aesthetic, human-centric purpose into the best concepts. The result? Buildings that are more efficient, sustainable, innovative, and beautiful. In the creative arts, a composer might use AI to generate novel harmonic progressions or rhythmic patterns as a springboard. The AI supplies raw, unexpected material. The human weaves emotional weight and narrative meaning. Many tasks are too complex, too vast, or too creatively demanding for human or machine alone. The fusion of human insight and machine intelligence unlocks new performance and discovery. For this remarkable partnership to flourish, organizations must consciously create the right environment. It's really not enough to simply provide employees with AI tools. We must cultivate a habitat where collaboration can thrive. The first step is intelligent task delegation. This involves carefully analyzing workflows, determine which tasks are best suited for machine precision and which require a human touch. Repetitive data entry, initial information sorting, pattern detection, strategic decision-making, complex communication, ethical judgment. This thoughtful division of labor prevents human burnout and allows people to focus on more meaningful, high-value work. Next, focus on skill matching and continuous training. Help employees understand how to interact with the specific AI systems they will use. Training should go beyond simple button pushing. Teach people how to speak to the AI, how to frame questions, how to interpret outputs, how to spot potential biases. This builds deeper literacy, turning AI from a black box into a reliable partner. Communication is key to trust and efficiency. Create a culture of psychological safety. Feel safe to experiment, feel safe to ask questions, feel safe to fail without fear. Not every attempt will be a success. Some ideas won't work, some AI suggestions may be incorrect. Treat these moments as learning opportunities. This encourages curiosity and creative risk-taking to discover innovative ways of working with AI. Design feedback loops so humans and AI learn from each other. When a human expert corrects or refines an AI suggestion, feed that information back into the system to improve it over time. The AI can provide analytics on team performance, highlighting bottlenecks and inefficiencies humans might miss. This creates a cycle of mutual improvement. The hybrid team becomes more intelligent and effective. It's a living system, constantly adapting and evolving for the better. As we look toward the horizon, the path forward becomes wonderfully clear. The future of work is not a dystopian vision of humans being replaced by machines, nor is it a story of humanity resisting the inevitable march of technology. Instead, it is a story of convergence, of partnership, of shared evolution. The most resilient, innovative, and successful organizations of tomorrow will be those that embrace this collaborative spirit. They will be the ones that recognize that the true power of artificial intelligence is not in its autonomy, but in its ability to augment and amplify our own human potential. The evidence from the real world is compelling and continues to grow. Medicine, engineering, customer service, creative design. They are achieving this not through competition, but through a carefully orchestrated collaboration of complementary strengths. This approach doesn't just lead to better business outcomes like increased productivity and innovation. It also leads to better jobs for people, freeing them from drudgery and empowering them to work at the top of their creative and strategic abilities. The journey requires a conscious effort. It demands that leaders invest in training, redesign workflows, and most importantly, foster a culture of trust and curiosity. It requires us to shift our mindset from viewing AI as a mere tool to seeing it as a genuine collaborator. We must learn to lead these new hybrid teams with the same empathy and strategic vision we would apply to an all-human team. The challenge is not technological, it is human. It's about our willingness to adapt, to learn, and to embrace a new way of working side by side with a different kind of intelligence. Here, in this dynamic interplay between the biological and the digital, lies the next great leap forward for our species. By learning to dance with these new intelligent systems, we are not diminishing our own importance. On the contrary, we are elevating it. We are positioning ourselves as the conductors of a powerful new orchestra, using our uniquely human qualities of wisdom, creativity, and purpose to guide immense technological power toward a better future. The story of work is entering its most exciting chapter yet, and it is a story that we will write together with our remarkable new partners.